I'm just gonna start off this vlog by saying I apologize for not posting yesterday. I pulled something in my back and it hurts kind of to breathe. I will insert some video clips from yesterday. Literally only a minute long. If you want to just skip yesterday, just skip a minute. And then today I was hoping to do a little bit of Christmas decorating, but kind of crafting. I want to make one of those fireplaces because I actually don't have a fireplace. I definitely want somewhere to put my stockings up on Christmas for my daughter to come out to and see everything. Definitely a pretty cool moment to have kids on Christmas. Yeah. My hair is wet for the fact that I just had a shower. So let's get crafting. It's been a very slow day. I made myself some wonton soup for dinner. I've mostly been drawing on the iPad, so this goes to Vlogmas number 12. It's looking so good so far, but I'm gonna keep going. Probably gonna continue on Vlogmas number 12 or 13, I think. And we'll probably finish it tomorrow. But I'm going to paper mache it all, give it some texture, and hopefully it turns out amazing like it already is. I just love how the bricks look. They're organically shaped, but oh my goodness. Oh, I love it. I can't wait to finish it. Vlogmas number 12, I do believe. Sorry for missing number Nope, it is 13 today. We missed 12 yesterday. You know, my bad. See you guys tomorrow, and I promise.